Hi everyone, welcome to Graphing as an Art Part 5. Before watching this video, make sure that you have watched the Part 1 to Part 5. The link is available in the description box. In this session, we are studying graphical transformation. It's a fifth transformation we are studying. The fifth transformation is what here? F of x transforms to modulus of f of x. F of x transforms to modulus of f of x. How to draw such kind of graph here if your f of x is turned into modulus of f of x here? For example, if y is equal to e raised to x is a graph, now your task is to draw y is equal to what here? E raised to x. So modulus of e raised to x. How to sketch such kind of graph here? Initially he has given y is equal to sin x graph here. How to sketch y is equal to modulus of sin x graph here? So listen student, here you will be having two steps here. Step 1, leave the positive part of f of x. Listen student, here first make it very clear here. What do you mean by f of x here? F of x nothing but what here? F of x nothing but what here? Y. F of x is positive nothing but the part of the graph which lies above x-axis where your f of x is positive, nothing but y-axis positive. Where is your y-axis positive? So the above x-axis y is positive and the below x-axis y is what here? Negative. What is the step 1 here? Leave the positive part of f of x as it is. Listen here, leave the positive part of the what here? F of x. So whatever is there, so upper part of the graph keep remains same here. So step number 2, take the mirror image of negative part of f of x with respect to what here? X-axis. You will be having two steps here. Step 1 is leave the positive part of f of x as it is. So in short I will write here, upper part of the graph remains same, lower part has to get shift over here upper with respect to x-axis. So let me go with an example here. Okay, so listen here, I have a one curve f of x is equal to, so one curve is there, so one quadratic curve here. Listen, so I need to sketch what here? Modulus of f of x. How to sketch this kind of graph here? Before sketching, listen here, my step 1 is what here? Upper part of the graph remains same, nothing but the positive part of f of x, the graph which lies above x-axis. This part of the graph remains same. Okay, right. I will write here. So modulus transformation graph I will write here. Okay, this part remains same. I will sketch this guy. Okay, this guy I will sketch this part. Okay, this part of the graph remains same. Next, the lower part of the graph, the lower part has to what here? Flip with respect to x here. Lower part has to flip. So take the mirror image with respect to what here? X-axis. Can it be like so? Definitely. Okay, this is the what here? Transformation. See, by looking at the graph, this kind of question can be asked with the help of differentiability. So where are the point this function is not differentiable? This function is not differentiable. See, this guy is a, this guy is what here? Minus b. This function is not differentiable at a and b, because at a and b you are getting what here? Very sharp edge or corner here. This function is what here? Continuous as well as very differentiable everywhere here. So but this guy is what here? Continuous everywhere, but it is not differentiable at 2 points here. So the necessary of knowing this kind of graph is you can check easily continuity and differentiability. This graph is very essential here. I will conclude student here. So why should we get back the lower part of the f of x has in terms of what here? Positive part here? Because when you are applying the mod here, if your initial y is positive, after being applying the mod your y becomes what here? So if initially it is a negative, so after applying the mod it becomes what here? Positive. Nothing but there is no priority of what here? Negative part. Because of that I need to switch on the negative part to what here? Upper part of the graph here. Okay, look at one more example here. One more example I have here. It is y is equal to what here? Sin x graph I have here, right? Y is equal to sin x here. So now this is initially y is equal to sin x graph. Now I need to draw y is equal to what here? Modulus of sin x here. Okay, right. How to draw this graph here? Step 1, upper part same, upper part of f of x same, nothing but this part, upper part, this guy and this guy remains what here? Same. Okay, that part I will draw first here. Upper part, this guy, upper part remains same, and this one, so the upper part remains same. Okay, so then the lower part. So step 2, lower part has to upper, lower part, so you should flip with respect to x-axis here, flip forward with respect to x-axis here. So what will happen here? So this fellow, this guy, the flip it, after flipping it becomes so, and this guy also you can flip it here. Yes. So this is the curve of what here? Y is equal to mod sin x. See student here, this function is not differentiable at all what here. So this point here, nothing but it is the function is differentiable everywhere. So except what here? N pi, where it gets 0 here, wherever sin becomes 0. In such case your function is what here? Not differentiable. This is the sketch of what here? Y is equal to mod sin x. So what is the rule here? Upper part remains same, lower part has to what here? Flip with respect to x axis here. Okay. So now here we have a log x curve here. Y is equal to log x. So it's a log x f of x here. Apply the rule here. Now I want what here? Mod log x curve here. The upper part of the graph remains same. Upper part, okay. Upper part nothing but this part has to remain same, right? And take the mirror image of what here? Negative part. Mirror image of negative part here, nothing but this fellow. Take mirror image here. Mirror image I am writing here itself. Yes, right. So what is your newly framed graph here? Your newly framed graph is so this one as well as this one. This is the sketch of what here? Y is equal to what here? So mod log x, right? I have one more example here. See here. So I will apply a general shaped curve here, one random curve I have taken here. So step 1 I will apply, leave the positive part of f of x. There is no positive part at all here. So leave it here. Step 2 apply here. Take the mirror image of negative part of f of x in x axis here. Okay, take the mirror image of negative part. This complete graph you flip with respect to x here. It's a like 180-degree rotation here. Okay, this part. So can it be like so? Definitely student. Okay, so this guy after flipping with respect 180-degree rotation with respect to x here, flip it, complete reflection. Okay, so if it is f of x, definitely this guy is what here? Modulus of f of x. So what will happen here? After applying the mod, your negative value of y becomes what here? Positive. Because of that, we are reflecting with respect to what here? X axis here. Initially, your y is say plus 2. Sorry, so minus 2, right? After applying the mod, it will become what here? Positive. So because of that, I am flipping the graph here. That's it. Okay. Now we are looking back. So we're going back to the what here? The sixth transformation. My sixth transformation is what here? F of x transforms to f of mod x. Listen here. So the slight difference here. Here I am applying the mod externally, outside, nothing but to the value of y. Here I am applying the mod internally to the value of what here? Domain. Here the y value, so the mod is applying for what here? The y. Here is for what here? X. The difference. Okay. So what will happen here? Listen. How to draw such kind of graph here. For example, initially your graph is y is equal to sin x is there, right? Suppose he has asked to draw y is equal to sin mod x. How to sketch? So initially he has given here y is equal to e raised here. Now he has asked here y is equal to e raised to mod x. How to draw? Initially he has given y is equal to log x curve here. Now he is asking here y is equal to log mod x. How to draw such kind of graph here? Listen, what is the rule here? Keep the right part of the y-axis as it is here. Keep the right part of the y-axis as it is. Exactly remains same. And neglect the left part here. Neglecting the left. Why should we neglect the left part here? See here. So mod f of mod x, nothing but in this case here I apply either -2 or +2. So it will get convert always the value in terms of what here? Positive only. See f of mod x, nothing but say if my f of x is y, right? If I assign positive value, it say some value is a. If I assign some negative, it is what here? B, right? If I apply here modulus, so if I apply some, so a x1 value as well as x2 value, the value of output remains what here? Same only, no? So because of mod, whether you give positive input or negative input, the value of y remains what here? Same. Because of that, you need to neglect the right portion of what your y-axis, nothing but ignoring the negative x-axis value, right? Okay, what is the rule? Step 1 here? Keep the right part of y-axis as it is, okay, and neglect the what here? Left part. So you completely delete the what here? Left part of the y-axis graph here. After that, take the mirror image of what here? Y-axis. Whatever the graph remains at right part here, that should be what here? Take with the mirror image with respect to y-axis. In short, I will conclude, right part of the graph remains same, and take the mirror image so about what here? Y-axis. Okay, we'll see with an example. See here, y is equal to e raised to x. I have a graph here, right? I will apply. Now I need to draw what here? Y is equal to e raised to mod x here. How to draw this kind of graph here? First one, keep the right part of y-axis as it is. Right part, y-axis, this is y-axis, right part, nothing but this part has to be, so retain same here. Okay, neglect the left part here, neglect nothing but this guy, completely scratch it out here. You should cut down this guy, this part has to be cut down. Okay, so what I do here, first part, keep the right part, this part right, so remains same here. Okay, I'm drawing this guy, the right part of the graph, this part remains same, this part remains same. Okay, keep the right part of f of x as it is, right? And this next one, neglect left here, this is I have ignored this one. Second part, take the mirror image about y-axis, whatever the remaining part, this part is there, no? Take the what here, mirror image. Okay, here you can ask the question here, so why should we take mirror image? Because so when f of mod x is there, so you are assigning positive value as well as negative value, but your value of y remains same here. If +2 you can apply here, say it is getting some y1 value. If -2 you are applying here, so though it is getting what value of y1 is remains what here same. Because of that I need to take what here, mirror image, that's all, right? So I will be having one more curve here. It's a very beautiful curve here. Maximum JW questions have been appeared on this question. So y is equal to sin x is a curve. Now my task is to draw what here, y is equal to sin mod x. Okay, the first one, right part, so same, right part, the right part of the graph, the right part, this part should be what here, retain same. Okay, I will draw right part first here. Right part of the graph remains same. Very good, kids. Okay, now second one here, take the mirror, sorry, and one more, neglect left here, the neglect left here, this guy has to be what here, neglected. Simply delete this guy here. Okay, the right part same, neglect the left part of the y-axis. Second one, take the mirror image of both what here, y-axis, whatever the remaining is there now, take the mirror image with respect to y-axis. You completely flip with respect to 180, so along y-axis. See here, this guy after reflecting or after flipping over here, so can it be like this? Definitely. Okay, this part I'm saying here, and this guy. Okay, so this fellow after reflecting, whatever the distance is here, the same has to be what here maintained. This is 0 to pi interval, right here. See, after leaving 0 to pi here, this has to be lifted over here, shifted definitely. Okay, this is our newly framed what here, y is equal to sin mod x graph here. Okay, listen student, here it's continuing, it's definitely continuous here. This function is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. Why? Because at x is equal to 0 you are getting what here, very sharp edge here. This function is differentiable everywhere except at x equal to what here, 0. So if you know the graph of y is equal to sin mod x, then only it is possible for you to what here, understand and answer in the JEE question here. So many times it has been appeared here. You can check in the previous year JEE questions here, y is equal to sin mod x here, where this function is not differentiable. This function is differentiable everywhere but except at x equal to what here, 0. That's it. Okay, we'll be having one more question, right? So remember student, here the function is not differentiable only at corner points at sharp edge here. That's it, right? Y is equal to log x I will be having here. Now my task is to draw what here, y is equal to log mod x. How to draw here? So part one, first one, keep the right part of y-axis as it is and neglect left here. See, y is equal to log x is always at right part only. There is no left part of the graph. So because of that, no need of what here, deleting the left part of f of x. Okay, so keep right part of y-axis as it is, neglect left here. Okay, this part remains same only, no left part. Take the mirror image about y-axis here, whatever the remaining part is there, so flip it here, flip with respect to 180, complete flip. So okay, so can it be like so? Definitely. Okay, it is not subject to scale. Okay, understand student, here this is a graph of what here, y is equal to log mod x, right? I'll be having one more curve here. It's the curve of y is equal to x cube, y is equal to x cube curve here. Now I need to go with what here, y is equal to mod x cube, right? How it will happen here? See here. So rule number 1, keep the right part of y-axis as it is. This part of the graph remains what here, same, and delete the neglect what here, left part. So the left part of the graph should be what here, neglected, right? After that, take the mirror image about y-axis. That's it, right? The mirror image of this guy, definitely like so. Okay, what is my newly framed curve here? Yes, this is my what here, newly framed curve here. Hope you understood student here. Okay, if you like the video, kindly share among your friends and hit the like button here. Your every like will motivate for me to do some best video for you guys. Okay, here I will be giving some question for you. Sketch these graphs here. Question number 1, y is equal to mod cos x, y is equal to cos mod x, y is equal to 1 by mod x here. So before drawing these curves here, you should know the basic curve here. Basic curve has been clearly explained in part 1 of my video session, Graphing is an Art. Kindly watch those who have not watched here. It's not possible for you to comment these graphs in the YouTube comment box here. Because of that, I am giving my WhatsApp number here. So, and kindly draw the beginning curve, y is equal to cos x as well as y is equal to mod cos x at a time here, like so. Okay, y is equal to sin x, the transformation what will happen here. Okay, hope you understood, students here. And the whatever your queries, I'll see you with one more beautiful session in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy learning.